Maybe not?
No, I don't know. I'm not going to slip and fall.
Yeah. Well, should we make our way back?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, not in those boots. Try and step on rocks. Those are yours. Just come over. However you need to, I guess. Just come over. Here. Just come over. Come on, Makila. Don't make it so hard. Here, give me your hand. There you go. Okay. I was filming just in case I fell or you fell. I guess so. That was the end of the trail.
Why? I thought we were going to have a fun picnic.
Oh, we are.
Oh, where?
We've got to go get the stuff out of the truck. Well, we just took a nice little hike and we're going to go have a picnic.
Where?
I'm not sure.